I'll just launch the contest for all of you because few of you can't wait for too long on this. Then I will see how many of you still want to be online live with me. Then we'll have a chat with all of you. Okay. So I'm going to give you a situation, absolutely life situation, which all of you will now and then will definitely go through in your life. And how do you respond to it? And what is the best thing you can do? And of course, and we will be announcing the online live context winner, and you will have something. Those of you who don't know, very recently I got into a new kind of doing things for my team. So those of you winners will be getting some personalized gifts, rewards, awards from me, which I will make it personally by adding some value to it. I'm just giving you some, showing some whatever I have in my hand right now. So something personalized rewards and awards will be given to you for your answer if it is perfect answer for a situation. The story goes like this, my dear friends. So there was this village in Rajasthan where there was a marriage fixed between one boy and a girl. Of course, it's always a boy and a girl, but to be more specific nowadays. So there was this marriage fixed between one boy and a girl, and near different villages. So the girl's side were very smart and little crooked people. So they say, let the Bharat come to our village and we will give you everything, whatever you have asked for and whatever understanding is there. But our only condition is no elderly person will be in the Bharat. It will be all youngsters only, and there will be no elderly person in the Bharat. So they said, what is a strange request? This is, but tickets, so nothing to lose in the process. So we are getting what we want to have it. So the boys' side said, okay, we are okay with this. So on the previous day of the Bharat, they're supposed to leave from the village in different tractors and trucks and trailers. So one old man from the boy said, no, I also want to come. Please take me. It is going to be my, I don't know when I'll be alive. I might be dying very soon. I don't want to miss your marriage. You're the last person in the house to be getting married. Maybe my last marriage to attend. And somehow what to do, what not to do. So they put him into a trunk and put that old man into a trunk so nobody will come to know that this old man also joined the Bharat. So the Bharat reaches next day morning to the girls' village, and in the small choultry where they're supposed to stay, they stay, got up in the morning. And before the Bharat is supposed to start to go to the Kalyan Mandapa nearby, and the Bharat goes on the horse, the boy will go on the horse, the groom will go on the horse. So as the Bharat was about to start from there, they get a message from the girl's side that we have one request and only we'll give the girl to you, otherwise we will not do. So what is the request? He said there is a river which goes to the entire village. So right now the river is going through in the entire village. If you can make that river into milk river, दूध की नदी, अभी यहाँ पे पानी की नदी बहती है. It's a river right now filled with water which goes. So if we can make that as milk river, if we can add all the milk into that, and if it becomes milk river or milky river, not looking like milk but actually milk river, then only we will give the girl to you, otherwise we will not give the girl. Now boys' sides become very upset and said, what nonsense, what is this? They're playing games with us or what? After bringing here, who does something like this? And this is very unreasonable. It is impossible. How can you make a river into a milk river? All these things. So I said, we are not interested to get married. We are taking the girl back. If you don't want to give the girl, you say straight away, tell them, don't come and marry the girl here. Why would you do some drama like this? So the boys are very upset about it. They try to pack up the entire thing. And this old man who was in the trunk, he just came out to get ready for hiding somewhere. He going to attend the entire marriage. He said, why are you going back? This is my last marriage. They said this has all happened and these people are telling blah, 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 blah. Now they want this whole river which is going through the village to make it into a milk river. Pani ki nadi ko doodh ki nadi bana do. How it is possible? They simply don't want to give the girl and blah. So we are going back. Old man said, somehow with all that drama I come here. Now I don't want to go like this. You tell. Do one thing. You go and tell. We will make it into milk river. हम इस पानी की नदी को दूध की नदी बना देंगे. So you go and tell I will tell you how to make it into Milk River. People say, are you crazy? How do you do that? The old man said, no, I am very clear. So many years of experience of living with people, and I know I can do that. Just go and tell, we will do that. So the boy's side goes and tells the girl's side, okay, done. We will get the entire river into Milk River. So get ready for the girl. Get the girl ready. We are coming and getting married. And what way was told to the girl's side by the boy's side people shook them to the core. And the girl's side people ask, by any chance, have you brought any elderly person or old man from your village? Because this kind of solution only can come from people who have experience in life. So the context for all of you is that. What was the answer given by that elderly man, old man, which got the marriage clicked, and that old man saw the last marriage of his life before he died? So what would be the answer? And that is the context for all of you. Don't say the answer right now. All of you can start posting your comments. You can start reading. So after everyone, all of you have posted on Facebook and Instagram, I'll go to the entire thing. And the answer which I am expecting, or the answer that old man gave, it matches with your answer, then you get an personalized gift, award, reward, whatever you call expression from my side for your brilliant thought process, because these kind of moments keep coming in life.